Hi, what's up everybody? It's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to continue our apartment search in Houston. If you haven't, check out part 1. It should appear right here. Today we're going to start our search at Braisewood Place. Some of the amenities include resort-style pool, package lockers, valet trash pickup. They do have a clubhouse, business center, conference room, fitness center, reserved parking, and a rec room. Come on, let's check it out. So in this apartment search, we're looking for a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom and a flex. Also, I do like windows. The more windows, the better for me, and I like a lot of space. So let's see what we can find. I asked for space, and that's exactly what she showed me. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a study. I feel like this is more appropriate for someone with children. I don't need this much space. This is like overkill. The price is good. Keep in mind, like I stated before, prices do change. Okay, so when you get to the location, they will give you a quote. That quote is good for you for 48 hours. After that, it will change. So prices may vary, okay? Also, keep in mind that the prices are always going to be higher in the summertime. Looking for at this location, so we're going on to the next, and that's Broadstone Toscano. Some of the amenities include 3 resort-style swimming pools, fitness center, barbecue area, fire pit, club room, internet lounge, business center, parking garage, and a package concierge. Even though we're looking for a 2-bedroom, you know they always want to show you the model. So this is the 1-bedroom model. Honey, I need more space. So that's exactly what she showed me. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a loft. Now I know the last one was a 2-bedroom with a study, which is kind of the same. The difference is this one was not furnished and that one was. So I imagine their furniture, which was a little dated for my taste. I imagine my furniture in this location. I like it. Who doesn't need a loft? Let's make our way upstairs. Although I did love this location, I still thought this felt a little family-like. I like something a little museum-like, something where you walk in, you don't think you want to touch anything. So we're gonna look at South Main. Now this was for my speed. This location amenities had a boutique lobby, a mail room with convenient text and email notification for pickup, valet dry cleaning. They also have concierge service, controlled access, an exclusive 5th floor pool deck with private seating, outdoor grilling stations, and skyline views, a spacious club with indoor-outdoor bar, and quick access to the pool deck.
We also have the cabana bar. So if you wanted to reserve this space for a private event,
cool.
It would include the cabana bar too, so you have the outdoor bar seating. We can open up those windows for you when the weather's nice.
Immediately when I walked in, I pictured my fluffy rug, my nice green couch. Yes, I like this. Although I love this building and I do like the floor to ceiling windows, I need more space, honey, okay? This closet is tiny. They're gonna show me a flex room. The flex room was literally just a continuation of the laundry room, let's be honest. We need space. Now, I did get a chance to see the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but I gotta say, this place didn't have enough windows for me. So, we continue our search. you so much for watching this video. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and click this card here. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.